Good evening, this is Jan. I'd like to do a review. So here I got a frozen meal by Dutch brand Iglo. And this is it. The method is Stoom and Klaar, which means steam and ready. So this is Asian noodles with chicken and lemongrass, garlic and ginger. So I just get rid of the paper and put this thing in the microwave for 7 minutes. The instruction says that I gotta stir this well so that the sauce gets mingled with all the other ingredients. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Got my chopsticks, got my spoon. I'm gonna try this. First, some noodles. And vegetables, carrot, broccoli. There's even some mushroom, small one in there. Yeah, well, that sauce, it's okay. It doesn't have that much flavor, by the way. Maybe you taste some ginger, some spice. Now for the chicken. Now that has flavor. Tender meat. So here I got some more sauce on the noodles. Yeah, I already taste more flavor here, subtle flavors. A little salty. Gonna stir some more. Well, this meal is not bad, but would I say it's worth the money because it cost me €6.79, which is not cheap for a frozen meal like this, I think. So yeah, it's a little overpriced. That's what I think. Wanna thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.